Imagine stepping outside on a clear night, looking up at the sky, and seeing a magnificent ring system stretching across the horizon. What if Earth had rings like Saturn? How would it change our world, our lives, and even our climate? Let's explore this fascinating scenario in today's video. First, how would Earth get rings? For Earth to have rings, a massive asteroid or comet would need to collide with our planet, sending debris into orbit. Over time, this debris would form a ring system, much like Saturn's. But unlike Saturn's icy rings, Earth's rings might be made of rock and dust, reflecting sunlight in stunning ways. From the ground, the rings would be a constant presence in the sky. Depending on your location, they might appear as a thin line or a massive arc. Near the equator, the rings would look like a narrow band, while closer to the poles, they'd stretch across the sky, creating a breathtaking celestial display. Sunrises and sunsets would be even more spectacular, with the rings casting dramatic shadows and colors. But how would the rings affect our daily lives? For one, they'd block some sunlight, making days slightly darker. Nights, however, would be brighter as the rings reflected sunlight. This could disrupt ecosystems and animal behavior, as many species rely on natural light cycles. On the bright side, the rings could serve as a natural navigation tool, guiding travelers for centuries. The rings would also have a significant impact on Earth's climate. By blocking sunlight, they could lower global temperatures, potentially offsetting some effects of climate change. However, this could also lead to unpredictable weather patterns, with some regions experiencing colder temperatures and others facing more extreme storms. The rings might even create a ring shadow effect, causing localized cooling in certain areas. Space travel would become more complicated. Rockets would need to navigate through the rings, risking collisions with debris. Satellites and the International Space Station might need to adjust their orbits to avoid damage. On the flip side, the rings could provide a source of raw materials for future space missions, making resource extraction easier. While Earth's rings would be a stunning addition to our sky, they'd come with challenges and changes. From climate shifts to cultural transformations, our world would never be the same. So the next time you look up at the night sky, imagine what it would be like to see rings stretching across the horizon, a reminder of the beauty and complexity of our universe.